Beautiful display of some amazing moments here for all of you. This one is so very cool.
This is gorgeous.
We've got lots of different colors to talk about here in this amazing piece. So this is your 5-piece concentric bowl set.
No. Can't have it.
This is so cool because you've got lots of fun to have with these. Oh, Lisa, what time is it?
I know.
It's 2:48 a.m.
See, the clock is, you start to lose it a little bit. We're doing great.
We're doing great. What time is it? Okay.
Look, these are a necessity, right? In every house.
Absolute necessity. You're going to do so many different things with these. And this is what I call the hybrid bowl. Let me tell you about the different colors we have.
Sure.
Confetti, already very popular.
Oh my gosh, look
Always
at this.
popular, the confetti.
Sure.
Patriotic is right next to it, which is so much fun. Also very popular. The red doodle doo, as well as we've got a sample of black doodle doo. Right here we have our woodlands. We have it in all the buttercream for you to see all of the 5 different, and then we also have it in the slate blue, the gray, and the white. This white is already very popular.
I love
Only
this.
150 left.
That's it?
Yes,
Oh.
in that white woodland.
Wow.
Next we have our floral lace patterns here. So this is your beautiful blue that you're seeing, and up in front are the examples of the gray, the red, the black, and then the cranberry, and then our old worlds in the confetti, the green, the taupe. Taupe is only 3 dozen left in the taupe, and that beautiful blue. But as I said, hybrid. You've got a handle, you've got a pour spout, and you have 5 of them.
It's unbelievable.
It's unreal.
And they nest together. So, and when we designed these, like, this is all about form and function. Steve, you're gonna love this story, okay? So first of all, we all need bowls, right?
Yes.
But how do you make a bowl that's a little bit different? That's an essential in your house.
Yeah.
First thing we did was we added a helper handle right there. So you can see, really easy to get your hands in and out. But we did a pour spout. So that not only is this a bowl that you can bake in, that you can serve in, but you can literally pour right out of here. And here is what is so cool. When we put the hole in the handle, we started to realize there's leverage. So when you want to pour, you put your fingers through it, and it just, see how it just drapes down? Pancake batter. Cookies, cupcakes, things like that. The largest bowl is going to be 3.5. Then you're going to get a 2.5 quart. Then you're going to get a 1.5 quart.
Amazing.
Then you're going to get a 1.5 quart. I think it's a little late. I think that added up to 9 quarts, but I would check me because it's 240. Yeah. But I think it's a 9-quart capacity.
I mean, you're getting a lot of storage here. You're getting a lot of food that's going to go into these. It's amazing.
Great colors.
They're all nestable, beautiful colors.
Yeah.
$48.19 and those 5 easy payments of $9.64. You're saving $8. Now, more of these have just arrived.
Yes.
Well, you've seen these before, but we actually got a whole bunch more. And the seasonals are actually new. The seasonals and the doodle doos are new. So hurry in these. How many have we already had out the door, friends? 250 out the door in the matter of just a couple of minutes.
Okay.
But what's super cool about these is that you can do so many different things with them. They're not just for baking because of that that pour that you have there. I mean, think about like entertaining with these over the summertime. You've got your salad, your potato salad, your mac salad,
100%.
like your dips and sauces. Like, this is that sort of cohesiveness that you want to have on the table that makes it look all very, very uniform.
Put together,
yes,
right?
Put together.
I love that. I love it. And we have some examples over here of some fun things to do. And by the way, Steve, those seasonals, if we bring this back again next year, they will not be here till 2024. So when you see the patriotic, when you see the confetti,
okay, you heard it first, friends.
Exactly. Oh, I'm gonna turn on a hand mixer.
Oh, definitely.
How about that?
Yes.
Be careful, because I tend to like not be really good at this.
Okay, let's go low. There we go, nice and low. We've got our dry ingredients.
And I'm incorporating all of them. Can you add some eggs in for me?
You bet. And now, easy peasy, we're able to pour in with our little pour spout our eggs. Nice and simple. Egg 1,
Look at you.
You never want to pour them in at the same time, and then pour 2.
Boy, you have a lot of
great.
patience. You should see how I do it. I thought you were supposed to dump it all together. What?
Fantastic.
And I love this. So look, I can mix right in here. You can take your KitchenAid mixer, go right up against the side of the bowl. Like, I'm gonna just turn this up, stand back a little bit.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
I love the fact that literally this is not going to hurt it. Look, I'm right against it, even though it's hand painted. But now I could bake right in here too. So everything from adding in your chips and your walnuts and all that kind of jazz.
Right.
And then look down here.
Oh my goodness.
Put your ribs right in there. Yeah.
How perfect. The fact that you can just throw this then into the oven and bake right in it.
It's amazing, right?
It's perfect. Serve it in this beautiful dish and then literally cover it and put it in the fridge.
I love that. You have 5 bowls to play with. Everything from a 3.5 to a half quart. So literally you can do an entire meal. So I love how we did like our protein here, so our short ribs. And then I'm gonna fast forward over here, you guys, where we did the macaroni salad.
Beautiful.
Then some olives, and then we did our desserts in the middle. That's how you get this 5-bowl set for $48, and you turn it into your everyday set.
Absolutely. Over 400 of these have been spoken for in this show alone. We just started talking about these, which is so special.
Yeah.
The fact that you have, look at, they're all nestable.
Yeah.
And this is an entire meal and dessert that you're seeing.
It's so cool.
It's so very cool and so easy and so beautiful.
So beautiful. This is a great wedding or shower gift. So if you're going to a shower, maybe you pick up the woodland because it's a little more solid neutral if you don't know their color. But wow.
Oh, it's really special. Look at how amazing this is. Awesome. I'm going to take you through our colors one more time so you can see. So right here we have the Pawfetti, all nested, so you can see what that looks like. 100 left in that Pawfetti. Patriotic. Fewer than 200 in Patriotic. Red Doodle Doo. 150 and Black Doodle Doo. 150 in Black Doodle Doo. We have it in the Woodland Buttercream. Also the Slate Blue, the Gray, 150 in that Gray Woodland, and then your White Woodland. Only 6 dozen left in that White Woodland.
Oh, wow.
We started with 200 just a couple minutes ago. This one is very popular. Hurry and check out with that one. We also have it in your Floral Lace in the Gray, the Red, the Black, and the Cranberry, and the Blue. You're seeing the whole collection here. Oh, this one is the Blue in the Floral Lace is very popular. Fewer than 200 left in your Blue. Last but not least, we have the Old World in the Blue. Right here, we have the Taupe, Green, and the Confetti.
Beautiful.
So lots to choose from. I'm actually looking at this blue floral lace. This is giving me like a real European
Isn't it
sort of
gorgeous?
sense. It's really pretty.
And the saturation of the inky blue color.
I think that's what it is. It's that beautiful, deep, rich blue, and then you've got that opposite. That's so special.
It's awesome. Well, you know, I just made a mac and cheese while you were doing all that. I was bored, so you know, got some mac and cheese.
You just whipped it up.
I just whipped it up. But look at this. This is everything you know and love about stoneware. So the fact that it can go in the oven up to 500 degrees, in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher, and then it just pulls away from the side. Oh my gosh, and we're so hungry. But look at this.
Gorgeous.
Ooey gooey. So in one of the bowls, you do your hot, your mac and cheese. Maybe you picked up the fried chicken at a drive-thru.
Definitely.
You just toss a napkin in here, and all of a sudden, look how beautiful this looks.
Just like that.
Just like that.
So simple, so easy, and it looks so much better than in sort of your takeout containers. And that's how simple it is to create a beautiful meal.
That's all it takes is just pick your favorite pattern, your favorite color. Up here then we did some cold. So we did a nice fruit salad, some slaw. Stoneware is your best friend in the summertime because it will keep these things nice and cold. And then you can do your beans either way, room temperature, warm.
And I mean, that's a great call out because we're thinking about like all of our barbecues and our cookouts right now. You want to put those potato salads and mac salads in those vessels that are going to keep it nice and cool outside.
Totally. That's why you want to get a bowl set like this now. Because as we go into the summer months, and then as you get to the back half of the year and you're baking more, like cookies and all that kind of stuff for the holidays, this is fabulous.
Oh, so fabulous. For $48.19, you're getting all 5 of these and those 5 easy payments of $9.64. Which essentially is less than $10 per bowl.
It's unbelievable.
That is unbelievable. And just look at how beautiful all of that design, and it's all about all of that detail both on the outside and the inside. And on top.
Yes.
That's what makes a piece designer versus that regular brick and mortar, you know?
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. I love the solids. I love the old world pop of color. I love the floral lace and the Paul Fetty and the doodles and the patriotic. And there's something for everybody.
Those are also going very fast.
Oh, okay.
FYI.
So you know.
So hurry on that one. Oh my goodness, an amazing set of these 5 beautiful bowls for this awesome price. $48.19, 5 easy payments of $9.64. I just have to come back here to this beautiful setup that we have here. It's spring, it's colorful, it's Easter, it's fun, it's Temp-tations.
It's Temp-tations, that's right. Create those memories around your table. That's what life and this brand is all about.
Absolutely. Lisa Lasorte, I cannot thank you
How
enough.
much fun.
I can't believe 2 hours just flew by.
Right?
Yes, you were right. Such a great time.
So much fun.
We had so much fun in the show. Lots of beautiful brand new items. If you want to check out anything that was in the show, just go to QVC.com at previously items that were on air and just find the show and you can see it all right here. Lisa Lasorte, again, thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
This was so much fun. I'm Steve Doss. We're going to be back live at 7 a.m. here on QVC. Have a good night.
Bye, everyone.